like 12 o'clock. I woke up to a chainsaw this morning. It's about to rain in like an hour, 2 hours. I'm headed to Brandon's house and then I'm getting a juice. Brandon's house. That's a cool little spot. Brandon's house. Shout out Brandon the plug for chewing the wheel so it don't rub no more. Fuck yeah. Homie shit. Yeah, I know I'm gonna be catching air on that second one though.
Oh, I don't know. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. I don't know, we're leaving. We're
Yeah, we were just leaving. We were doing it one last time and then we were leaving. I didn't even get to do what I wanted to do.
Yeah. I don't know why she said she was gonna find cops though.
Alright, that spot was an instant bust. Some lady called the cops, so we gotta get out of here pretty quick. I don't feel like getting a trespassing charge today. Oh shit! Oh shit! Woo! Oh yeah! One-handed, boy! Oh Nelly! Whoa! Catch and drift out here, boy! Woo! I got mud all over my face. Ugh. We're at the next spot. Old lady, she was a bozo. I was looking, I saw a bag in this dumpster and I opened it. It's a bowling bag with a bowling ball and shoes. I'm straight contemplating on taking this home and selling it because that's a lot of money. So while I think about that, are we gonna get some clips right here?
Yeah.
Bet.
Oh my god, why did I take my foot off?
Up a little bit. Winds up a little bit.
I'm such a...
Got it!
Woo! Hell yeah.
And you followed me up on it, boy.
Okay, so now we are going to go get a juice, go get some food like the main voyage of this was supposed to be. But I'm riding with a bowling ball and shoes in my backpack. This is gonna suck. It's really heavy. I hope it doesn't rain. Alright, so now we're at our TJ Maxx chill spot because we're a bunch of homeless scumbags.
Fuck it.
For $2, $2. That is only 2, not 3, not 4, but 2, not 1, but 2.
What?
I got cheddar and bacon, TGI Fridays, right? TGI Fridays, bacon and cheddar, chips, and a fucking 6-pack. That's right, not 5, not 7, but 6.
Dude, it's not
For $2. Not 1, not 3, but $2. I need to eat and drink. I'm thirsty and hungry. Not hungry or not thirsty, but hungry and thirsty. This kid's peg just went through the wall. Jesus.
He was about to bust his ass.
Oh, shout out Cameron. Nah, he did bust his ass.
He did.
Shout out Cameron for eating shit. We're at the house now. Started to rain. Don't know what to do from here. Don't know what to do from here. Okay.
Picture.
Hey, you want to reenact that for the vlog?
No.
Please? But it was funny.
Oh my God. Here we go. Shit. Oh. Fuck, man.
Yo, you gotta do it again. I forgot to press record.
No, fuck you. Dude, that fucking...